Welcome to Chef Food channel viewers. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. In this video I am going to show you various dispenser design ideas to place in your living room. Dispenser bottles, dispenser jars, glass dispenser bottles, colorful and printed dispenser bottles are here for you to show in this video. So proceeding further, if you are new in our channel Chef Food, kindly subscribe the Chef Food channel and also hit the red button, bell button, so that our every video notification comes to you and you are not going to miss any of our latest video update. So guys, as you can see, cylinder style, bottle style, different style dispenser designing ideas are here. If you are going to purchase a new dispenser, these designs are for you, so you can watch it and you can make your dispenser beautiful by watching this ceramic, glass and steel dispensing ideas. Chef Food contains a lot of videos about the recipes including Pakistani, Indian, Italian and so on continental cuisine. You can watch the videos in our channel Chef Food and also like it if you think it is up to date and it should be worthy. And you can give your feedback in the comment section as how was the video and what should be our next video topic and what could be the points that could improve our video quality and quantity as well. So we will make your feedback really considerable and will make changes according to your wishes. You can also demand your wish about specific topic, about specific recipe. We will make recipe or topic for you as you said. So as you can see, dispenser bottles can also be placed in the fridge like this. Different stands are also available for this type of dispenser. So you can see hot and cool sides are here. Hoping that you find it helpful. We think that kindly like the button. If the video is helpful, I will meet you in my next video. Till there, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to subscribe. Chef Food. Thanks for watching.